Hi YouTube, it's me again. I know it's been a while, but I'm back, and yeah. What I realized is that you guys only like to watch me when I burp, even though I did it one time and it was like little. So I decided I'm gonna burp the alphabet. Okay, in Spanish too. Yeah. Oh, Spanish. Ah. Okay, I can't do it. I can only do like little burps, but I can sing for you. So I'm gonna sing a song called "If I Were You" by Tamia. Okay. I look in the mirror with you in my arms, and I see a reflection of a smile that says you believe in love. And just for a moment I drifted away, but I couldn't stay, darling. A hand of love, a bit of fear. I'm trying to say, if I were you, I wouldn't be here. If I were you, I would stay right where you are. I wouldn't come near this broken heart. Just turn around and leave here. Yeah, that's all I know. But yeah, iTunes, the Anushe Show, have like 8 episodes. So check it out. Or mypodcast.com if you don't have iTunes. It's hot. People actually like me. I thought I was like boring, but people actually like me. It's shocking. I was playing. Peace, love, and Afro Grease.